85% of disease is caused by a dysregulation of one major system in your body. And there is something you can do about it that will not only lower your risk of disease, but will also help to improve your stress response. And it is relaxing and it feels amazing. If you're like millions of other people in this crazy world, you experience stress on a pretty regular basis. Maybe you've just always had a lot of stress and it's just become normal for you. But how is this affecting your health? It can affect your autonomic nervous system, which controls your fight or flight response. And this system regulates involuntary bodily functions such as heart rate, digestion, breathing rate, and many others. When you allow your body to remain in a fight or flight mode, even though you're not literally fighting for your life, your body still perceives it as such, and it goes into survival mode. Digestion shuts down. Stress hormones are constantly being called out, which greatly disrupts all your other hormones. And you end up feeling like you've lost your mind and your gut is just not happy. You may even end up with IBS or IBD, which is one of the many inflammatory conditions that are possible. You may also have trouble regulating your emotions or certain triggers. And this is where the vagus nerve swoops in with its anti-inflammatory signals and tries to get your body back into the rest and digest mode. The vagus nerve sends messages to and from your brain, your gut, your heart, and your lungs to help you deal with stress, anxiety, fear, and trauma. However, with an imbalance of the autonomic nervous system comes decreased vagal tone, which is pro-inflammatory. So, what do? How do you increase vagal tone? You book yourself a vagus nerve session with our massage therapist. Therapy is very gentle. It can be done fully clothed on its own or can be integrated into a full massage therapy session. During a vagus nerve session with Rachel, she will gently hold places where the vagus nerve comes closest to the surface. In some areas, there are actually holes in your bones where this occurs. She gently holds a light amount of tension at these points and is listening with her hands for the pulse of the nerve. Nerves were designed to move fluidly and rhythmically. When there's a block, that pulse can be out of rhythm, too fast, or even non-existent. Rachel will hold that point until the pulse reaches an even, symmetrical beat, and then she'll break contact. You may feel sensations in random parts of your body, or you may feel nothing at all. Your job is to breathe deeply, and if you notice sensations in your body, pay attention to it. Don't name it, judge it, or try to change it. The full effect of this session can take up to 3 days, and Rachel will explain everything to you before your session and what to expect afterwards. If you're ready to relax and improve your quality of life, book a session with Rachel. And even if you're not quite ready for that vagus nerve part, come on in for an amazing massage. You can visit fitlogicfunctionalmedicine.com and click on the book massage button at the top of the page, or you can text 512-580-4399 and we'll get you all set up.